A Kepler is a blockchain privacy platform that aims to release the first ever confidential assets on a Mimblewimble blockchain. And their main consensus mechanism is POW. Welcome back, guys, to another episode of Expert Studio. In this video, I will try my level best to share and review each and everything regarding the Kepler platform. And this coin is already enlisted on two major exchanges, the Catex exchange, and also it is available on P2P B2B exchange. So before moving on, kindly do me a favor and subscribe our channel Expert Studio and also press the bell icon so you are not going to miss any of the major update. First of all, I will tell you the major things regarding the Kepler, the you can say the privacy platform. What is the privacy platform all about? The Kepler proposed a Mimblewimble based CA implementation that can hide transaction amounts, addresses, and asset types, providing the strongest privacy of all solutions. That is such a great thing regarding the Kepler privacy platform. It is also available on the CoinMarketCap, and very soon the data will show over here, and you can easily check each and everything on the CoinMarketCap by writing only the KMW. And the major thing, as I told you earlier, that right now it is also available on the Catex exchange in USDT pairs, so you can easily trade this token directly on the Catex exchange. I will show you each and everything on their light paper, because at this time the light paper is basically online and you can read each and everything regarding the Kepler network on their light paper. And very soon, in hardly you can say 7 to 10 days, the white paper will also release, so you can even read each and everything on their white paper. First of all, what is Kepler? The Kepler is the first implementation of the Mimblewimble based CA project, things that make, you can say, the Kepler or the whole project, and you can say the whole project entirely exclusive, that users can issue and reissue their confidential assets as the native token of the coin system. You can say the native coin of the system. Kepler is also a confidential asset and can be used to pay fee. When an asset is issued, the owner of the asset and the number of additional issues should be specified. It has the privacy features of Mimblewimble. The sender addresses, receiver addresses, and transaction amount can be hidden. Implemented in Rust language, no ICO. These are the major features of the Kepler platform. Now I will tell you something more regarding the Kepler. So first of all, the major thing, what is available right now? Confidential transactions. You can say the CT and native CT. I will tell you the major things regarding the Kepler. First of all, what is confidential transactions? CT were designed to restore privacy to blockchain transactions. As the light paper mentions, Bitcoin transactions aren't private. They can be traced using publicly available tools. The goal of CT is to restore privacy to blockchain transactions. It means that all the transactions which you are going to use is entirely you can say it is entirely you can say the private one, and only the sender has all the records. No one else can use the records, or no one else has the ability, or you can say access, to check any type of transactions. Secondly, native CT. What is native CT on Kepler MW? The privacy has been a major topic in blockchain technology in the past decade, and there's been several technological, you can say, the main approaches towards providing true privacy without sacrificing scalability and functionality. Over time, there was a loss of interest towards privacy technology on blockchain. That is until Mimblewimble technology came along. Thanks to Mimblewimble, there is a way to improve privacy without, you can say, sacrificing functionally, and in the meantime MW allows for better scalability. So these are the major factors of the Kepler platform, as it will basically mention that it is, you can say, the privacy platform. So the major things regarding the Kepler is that, for example, if you want to send anyone $100, only you have the record. No one else has any type of record that you basically sent him or her $100. So this is such a great thing, and you can say a new revolution in the crypto market, that the major coin, the Kepler, is entirely the privacy platform. So I will tell you something more that is entirely interesting, you can say. First of all, I will tell you, moving towards the future of privacy, the best way to launch confidential assets is on blockchain built for privacy. Having semi-anonymous backbone infrastructure that cannot scale is not a good starting point for development. So these are the major factors. CA already in testnet. Our development team has been working for months and plans to launch a working test network soon. We will be release development updates regularly, and we encourage the feedback. So the major major things regarding the Keplers. Users can issue and reissue their confidential assets. When the assets are issued, the asset type and maximum supply need to be disclosed. When an asset is issued, the owner of the asset and the number of additional issues should be specified. The owner's signature is required to reissue the asset. As the native coin of the system, Kepler is also a confidential asset and can be used to pay fees. It is not like this that you only, for example, if you only have the Kepler, then you can use the fees. You can use the main fee of this platform, with any native coin. With the native coin and also with any other coin. Here you can see, in addition to the native coin, other assets can be designated for payment of fees. It has the privacy features of Mimblewimble. The sender addresses, receiver addresses, and transactions amount can be hidden. Mimblewimble's cut-through feature contributes to a similar on-chain data of Kepler. Kepler adopts the C31 mining algorithm, which is ASIC friendly and can attract a large number of miners and mining equipment manufacturers to join the mining. So these are the major things regarding this platform, that at this time they are using the C31 mining algorithm. That is such a great thing. Implemented in Rust language, no ICO. So these are the key features of the Kepler platform. You can read each and everything on their light paper. I will basically share the link of the main platform, so you can read each and everything directly from the main platform, or you can even download the light paper and easily you can read each and everything. And very soon they are also going to launch such a great airdrop. Right now they are basically discussing that airdrop with one of the exchange. So very soon I will share the airdrop link with you. And here you can see on the Bitcoin Talk, they basically write up each and everything regarding the Kepler, the privacy token, which is at this time live, and you have the chance to buy this token directly from the Catex exchange and also from the P2P B2B exchange. If you like this video, kindly hit the like button and also share this video with some of your friends. Thanks a lot.